This is Mark the Meerkat in with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, brought to you by Grok Trade. Today's lesson is on persistence and patience. This is going to show a trade on CARA right at market opening. Here it was in pre-market. It was a low basing here, dropped down, low base, dropped down, and then right after opening it fell down and then rocketed up, but then was turning back down. This is what we call a bear pullback, and so we want to take a look here at what a bear pullback is. Just go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com, to our free chart school. That's right, go to chart school, and we're going to look at a bear pullback. Bear pullback, also called a pullback sell, right there. And that's where a stock it ran down, it comes back up, and then it starts to run down again. The odds are in our favor to go short. I want to take the trades whenever the odds are in my favor. So let's take a look here at Akira. And it was running down here all morning. It popped up, and it's just starting to pull back and pull back rather hard. So I set a trade down here just below the $21 market. So if it bounced off of that, I didn't want to be short. So I set it just below. Let's see what happened next. And bam, it went down here, and I did tag me in here at $20.91. I am now short on Kara. And then it dropped all the way down here, almost at 2050. Almost, that's 2% in the money. Great, getting ready to pull my stop down. So I set my stop just above that $21 area, and then look what happened. After it dropped down there, it went all the way up here to 2140. That is a 4% move from low to high in less than 1 minute. So sure enough here, I fell down and I stopped out right here at 2104, and that was in less than 90 seconds, a minus 0.6%. So I would call this a successful trade. The odds were in my favor when I took the trade. I set my stop at 1% or less, and when it dropped all the way down here, I pulled my stop in to reduce my risk, and I stopped out. So it was not an income trade, but it was what we call a successful trade. In fact, I had 3 of the similar trades to this to start off the day today in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. Let's take a look at that. Look at our first 8 trades. Was not a good morning for us here. It was minus 0.9, minus 0.6 on the trade that I just showed you here, trade number 2. And then I tried to go long on carry, and it snapped right back on me again. All of these snapped within a minute. They turned around and went go 3 or 4% in the opposite direction. And then I had a couple of small income trades, and then again, minus 0.4, minus 0.2. So out of our first 8 trades, we were down over 2.5% to start off the day, and we were at about 32% success rate. But then things changed. I took a break. My emotions were starting to get up. We took what I call a tilt break. And then look what happened after that. Trades 9 through 17 here, all income trades with two of them at over 2%, 3 of them at 1% or more, and so we were able to turn the day around there. So again, patience and persistence. So by the end of the day, we were 12 of 17 called trades for 70% success rate. Our target is 60%, and we have a 5% today target on return on risk. We were at 10.4. So after having been down over 2.5%, we were able to turn it around, end up with 10.4 for the day. Now again, this is this is return on risk. So whatever your lot size is in our model portfolio is $10,000 you buy on each stock that we trade, and 1% of 1% stop is risking $100. Well, then for every 1% we make, that is $100. So we made about $1,000 in the first 2 hours of the market. Not a bad thing. And again, we were down. We were able to come back. And this has been an exceptional week here. Look at this so far. We had 13% on Monday, 15% yesterday, 10% today. We're at 39% for the week, and we've already hit our target for the week of 5% per day would be 25% for the week. we're knocking on the door of 50% here coming up. That's our weekly stretch goal. So if you'd like to join us, you can just go to groktrade.com, and just go to the old day trading chat room page, and you can either attend a webinar and find out a little bit more about our room, or you can just read this page here and you can join us either on a monthly basis, but again, or for an annual basis with a real discounted price. But guess what? It's 7 days risk-free. Join us for 7 days. Doesn't work for you? You don't have to be here any more than that. This is Mark the Meerkat. Just remember that the top characteristics of a winning, successful trader is persistence, patience, discipline, and follow through. Trade well, and may your winners run.